Why has your person gone silent? That is what we will try to find out today. Hello and welcome to my channel. And we have You Came Closer Than Anyone. We need to let each other go. I knew exactly what I was doing. We both know I'm not the one for you. One more. The timing just wasn't right for us. It seems like your person has done something in this relationship that could have caused an argument between both of you. And even though you had a good connection, they seem to feel that you are not quite compatible. You came closer than anyone, so they do seem to have feelings for you, but at the same time they feel that you need to let go of each other. You both need to move on because of something that they have done, and they know what they have done. I knew exactly what I was doing. So whatever they did, it was not done accidentally. They knew that they were doing it, and it seems like they do kind of regret it right now. They feel that the timing just wasn't right for you to be together, and we both know I'm not the one for you. They don't feel worthy of your love. This card shows that they don't have enough self-worth. They feel like they are not good enough for you, and they think that you also feel the same. Is that what you are feeling? All these cards, combined, they mean that they did have feelings for you. Maybe they even do right now, but they might be thinking on, they might be thinking practically and feel that you have to let each other go and move on in your lives because they are not good enough for you. Let's check another deck. They seem to be in a place of regret right now. They think that because of whatever they did, you will not forgive them. How many cards did I get? Okay, we got 4 cards. So first we have Runner, Hope, Escape, and Mend. So this card shows that they still do have feelings for you. They are still attached to you, but because they don't have self-worth, they feel like they are not good enough for you, and they kind of believe, whether it's true or not, I don't know, but they kind of believe that you think the same, that they are not worthy of you. And because of whatever they did, they have right now run away from the connection, disconnected with you. Escape, I left when things got hard. So they were not able to face you because of what they did, and they ran away. But they still have hope. They seem to be in a confused state of mind right now, because on one side they are saying that you need to let each other go, and on the other side they still have hope that things will work out between you, and they do want to mend the connection. If you are ready to move forward with them, then maybe if you try to contact them and they are ready, they might be ready to talk things over with you, because they seem to want a way back with you, a second chance. One more deck. Express your love. Leave your fears behind. Actions speak louder than words. New love. So these cards seem to be for you. First, we saw what your person is feeling at this moment, why they have run away or gone silent or disconnected with you. And these cards are for you. These are the guidance messages from the universe for you. Okay, so it seems like you do have emotions for this person. You do seem to have feelings for them, but you might not have expressed it. And these messages say that you have to leave your fears behind and express your love to the person. If you really love them, really like them, then maybe whatever happened in the past, you can just work it out, talk it out with them. If you do that, once you leave your fears behind and talk things out with your person, tell them how you actually feel about them, there is a very good chance that your relationship will get a second chance. Actions speak louder than words. Maybe they haven't told you what they feel about you too, but maybe they did things for you that made you believe that they have feelings for you. So this is the message from the universe. Once you leave your fears behind and talk out with a person, honestly, there is a good chance that you can reconcile your relationship. They also want to fix this connection. If this is what you feel, if you have the same feelings for your person and want to reconcile with them, then you can just move ahead and contact them, and they might be ready to talk it out with you, and then you can get together again if that is what you want. So this was the reading for why your person has gone silent. Do subscribe to my channel for the daily guidance videos that I post every morning, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.